Kurt with Winners Performance, and we're here talking about a brand new product that we have, our remote oil fill and breather tanks. It's important to vent your quick change rear, and a vent can be something as simple as just a fitting on top of the center section. But with our new remote oil fill and breather tanks, first of all, it adds a little bit more hot rod flavor to the trunk of your car. But this acts not only as a breather, but it makes for quick and easy oil fills after you've changed your gears. We collaborated with Moon Eyes on these tanks, drawing off the look of their vintage Moon fuel tanks and brackets. They come in two different sizes. We've got a 4-inch diameter tank and a 2-inch diameter tank. And today we're here in Grafton, Ohio with Jon Wright of Jon Wright's CustomChrome Plating, where we're going to be installing one of the 4-inch tanks in his 32 Ford Coupe. Once you figure out where in your trunk or truck bed you're going to mount your tank, use the appropriate nuts and bolts or rivet nuts to install the brackets. Next, you'll install a straight 6AN male fitting wrapped with Teflon tape in the port in the bottom of the breather tank. Connect your 3/8-inch fluid line to the fitting you just installed. You can choose your fitting and type of line to fit the style of your car. In this case, a plain rubber line with spring clamps fit the car's old school style. Figure out where you'll route the line through the floor and drill your hole. Then install a grommet to keep the steel floor from rubbing the line. Next, you'll trim the line, leaving enough slack for suspension travel, and feed it through to the rear end, where you'll connect it with either a 6AN or a 3/8-inch fitting, depending on the breather port in the top of your rear end. In this case, we used a 90-degree 6AN fitting, which kept the fitting clear of the trunk floor when the suspension compressed. And that's it. Now your quick change is vented properly and looking good. For more information on our remote breather and oil fill tanks, visit Winners Performance or give us a call.